Hello students, I hope you all are safe and must have enjoyed your Diwali vacations. Let us start with Unit 3, poem number 18, Growing Up. So here in this poem, the poet is showing us and telling us about the transition. That means the changes which occur from a baby till the adult. For example, when we are a baby, we cannot walk immediately, can we? हम directly चल नहीं सकते. पहले हम लोग flip करेंगे, turn करेंगे, फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे जाने का कोशिश करेंगे, then slowly crawl करेंगे, then with the support we'll stand up and then only we can walk. And then slowly as we grow up, we get certain things. For example, we are tall, we get our muscles. Yes, so this poem is about that. So in this poem, the poet has given the example of a frog and a butterfly. Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail. So here it is the tadpole, the first stage of a frog where it has a tail and no hands. Yes. So little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, began to cry. For little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. So why was he crying? Yes, because he had lost his tail. वो रो रहा है, अरे मेरा पूंछ कहाँ चला गया, क्या हो गया मुझे? And his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log. So वो log, a piece of wood, वहाँ पे बैठ के वो रो रहा है, उसकी मम्मी को पता नहीं कहाँ पे है वो. For he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. But वो अभी वो tadpole नहीं है. Tadpole means the first stage of frog where it has only the tail. So अभी वो नहीं है, वो बड़ा हो गया है and he is Mr. Thomas Frog. So you all know what is a frog. How does it look? Yes. So tadpole is the first stage wherein it is just having a tail, no hands. Second one, the butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf. Here also the poet is telling about the butterfly. So first it lays an egg. Yes. So from that egg there comes a caterpillar. From caterpillar it is in the form of chrysalis and then it becomes a beautiful colorful butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar, now what is fuzzy? Covered with soft fine hair, curled upon a leaf. So caterpillar आपने देखा रहेगा वो leaf के ऊपर है. Made herself a chrysalis and then fell asleep. Chrysalis is like a shell. While she was sleeping, she dreamed she could fly. So there is a period. So from chrysalis, the colorful butterfly comes out. You must have studied in EVS, I guess. And later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. So here first, it was a egg. So from egg, there came a caterpillar. From caterpillar, it got rolled up into a chrysalis. What is chrysalis? Is a stage in the life cycle of butterfly and it is like a hard case. Hard रहता है, उसके अंदर वो रहता है caterpillar and after some days caterpillar से क्या आता है? Colorful butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. So who is the poet? C.J. Dennis. Yes. So here the poet is telling us about growing up. So what is the initial stage? Tadpole. So from tadpole it comes frog. It becomes a frog. Similarly, from caterpillar, there is colorful butterfly. Yes, clear children? Thank you.